Hello! Summer's winding down, and that means it's time to clean out the smoker. So let me show you how it's done right here on that. So here we go. Uncover this beast, and we look inside. I got to take some stuff out, and I'm going to wear gloves for this because I don't know what kind of gunge is in there. Well, actually I do, but I want to talk about it in public, okay? It's gungy. So, take the top warming rack out. Take the grate out. Take the other grate out. Alright, so now we got to take out the heat deflector. Now, I'll be honest, I don't use this smoker as a grill. I use it as an outdoor oven and smoker, so I cover my heat deflector with tinfoil, but it's time for a fresh coat. So let's get this thing out. We've got a little latch in here that I have to get out. Bring this arm out, and that's for the sear plate. Sear plate is there so if you do use it for a grill, once you smoke your meat, you can open it up, you get the open shot of the flames, and you can sear the outside of the meat. But we're not going to worry about that. We're going to get this out though. All right, I'm going to set this off camera over here for a minute. All right, so now I've got to take my shop vac, and we've got to clean this thing out. So hang on for the noise. And that's the fire pot. That's where all the action happens. And everything around it is just all the ash that is built up over the summer. So we want to try to get as much of that out as we can. If I was using this for a grill, then over here would be filled with grease and we'd have to scrape that out, but it doesn't. So we're okay there. Down there. And I think that should do it. All right, so we need to clean off the heat deflector. And for that, we just take the foil off. Oh, last time I did that. Okay, so take that off. Not quite sure why this happens, but it does get, that's not soot. That's actually just a little bit of rust, even though there's really no moisture in there. So, put this down here. So let's foil this thing up. Start. Yeah. Start with a layer of foil. take this. Have to find that little depression. There it is. There we go. And I like to put a little foil on top of that, as you saw. That out. And there is the new foil on the deflector. So now it's time to put it back into the smoker. Okay, now we're going to put this thing back in, and I'll be honest, sometimes it's a trick. And sometimes it does that, which was beautiful. So I get my little dilly whopper back up here. And there's that. Now, since I don't use this as a grill, I'm not worried about cleaning these, because I usually just put a pan on them. Put that in. That in. Put the warming plate in. And then we're going to turn it on just to make sure it's working after I did all that. All right, to start this, what you're supposed to do is leave the lid open until you see smoke. And then you close the lid, set your temperature, and let it come up, and you're done. Well, this has been how to clean out your smoker. And this has been, that's why we have hot dogs in the freezer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and click on my little face over here. And we'll see you next time. Bye.